never stops, never returns. But how to manage time? Spending hours in scrolling reels or doing nothing all day. And then when you see your unfinished syllabus in front of you, you are like, bro, time gaya kahan? You must learn to manage time. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about the 3 golden rules of time management. So let's begin. Schedule. See, I'm not going to tell you to make a timetable like a kid, which we never used to follow. Just try to set goals, set small targets in front of you and try to accomplish them. Let's say you will cover the chapter 7 tomorrow. Anyhow, so do it. Also, have an idea about how you are going to divide your time in your entire day. This will give you a clear idea about how to spend your time. Also, do one thing. Write down tomorrow's target tonight only before going to bed. Prioritize tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. So knowing which ones are more important can help you save time and stress. Whatever problems you face in your day, try to complete your high priority tasks even if you fail to do the less important ones. Our brain acts more efficiently if we feel that something is more urgent to do. And bro, stop procrastinating. I know it's a bad habit of all of us, but we must do something to cure it. Try to make small targets and don't set a large, unrealistic target in front of you, which ultimately becomes impossible to complete, and finally you start being lazy and wasting time again. Take regular breaks between your tasks so that you don't feel bored and you can complete your task with full energy. Eventually, train your brain to avoid procrastination. So that's it. These 3 rules might seem hard to start at the beginning, but you know what? Practice makes you perfect. So start following these and become the best version of yourself. Also, if you want to know my 5 tips to study and memorize quickly, go watch this video. Hope you like the video. Subscribe for more such content. Till then, goodbye.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make the microphone dead.